Wow, this is so nice! As a teacher, as an educator myself, sobrang natutuwa ako na merong ganitong space sa Tagaytay. City Government of Tagaytay, maraming salamat po sa pagkakaroon natin ng mini library. So you can bring your kids, your pamangkins, because probably this is T-Rex, and look at the egg. Hello everybody, we're going to Tagaytay Public Library, yung mini library. Skyridge is over there. You can see the Ferris wheel, and the new City Hall of Tagaytay is right here. So we're gonna go there to check the mini library. So samahan niyo ako. Hi, good morning, sir. Mini library. Nasa second floor. Thank you. Thank you. Ang mini library is nasa second floor. So we're already here. Ang lamig ng loob ng City Hall, guys. Talagang ramdam na ramdam mo yung aircon. Okay, so here we go, guys. Wala pang tao. Walang tao. Only my... Wow, this is so nice. Oh my God, look at that. Wow! Mas malaki siya sa in-expect ko. It's very clean. Look at that. It's very tidy. Okay, ibaba camera ko. Till 9 o'clock, so wala pang tao. Ako lang talaga mag-isa. So, let's start ready. Sobrang na-amaze talaga ako sa library ng Tagaytay. Yung sa mini library, it is bigger than I expected pala. So akala ko maliit na space lang talaga siya. It is still a mini library, pero there are a lot of books that you can read. So pinapawisan ako kasi ito yung glasses dito, tagos siyang init. So, and then look at the bookshelf. It's very sturdy. Oh my God, look, you can sit on it. Diba? Tapos, yung kanilang bookshelf is so nice because, look at this one. Very modern yung style. My God, I'm really grateful to Tagaytay City for making the initiative. Kasi I believe yung bigger library is under renovation. That's what I read on the post. Ang ganda. Look at that. Diba? Ang ganda ng wood. Parang pressed wood siya. Tapos, may varnished. It's really nice. Okay, there are a lot of Collier's Encyclopedia. You can choose here. Tapos, what is this? Journal of the Batasan. Oh my God, may mga plenary sessions. What? Okay, so this is 1981. Record of the Batasan Republic of Philippines, Batasan. Wow! Okay, so this is Mayor Bambo Tolentino. In the past, he was mayor of Tagaytay City. Okay, so we have a lot of books right here. Oh my God! Okay, There are a lot of novels right here. Wow! Oh my, oh wow. So there is Badlands. This is amazing. We also have part of the kids for the kids section. So we have here, oh, may mga dinosaurs. Okay, here. This is really nice, guys. Explore. Yeah. So, sobrang swak to sa mga bata. So you can bring your kids, your pamangkins. Because really nice, look! May mga frogs. Tapos may princess. They can, oh! This is a puzzle! Oh, sorry. Cute! Tapos ang ganda ng printing. Oh, my name is Prince Charming. I'm hoping to find the beautiful girl who left. Oh, this is Cinderella? Andito yung shoes. Yeah, they can solve the puzzle. This one, they can take it off. Rapunzel. There is a Tyrannosaurus Rex. I'm not sure if this is T-Rex. I'm not sure, guys. Please forgive me. Probably this is T-Rex. And look at the egg. Ang laki ng itlog. Ito, na-hatch na yung egg. Na-hatch na yung egg dito. Lumabas na ang ating baby dinosaur. And then, ito, maha-hatch pa lang siya. And then ito, oh my God, I can live here. I really want to stay here longer, but I still have work. So I really appreciate the effort of Mayor Brent, Vice Mayor, Vice Mayor Agnes. Grabe, this might be a mini, tiny space para sa iba, pero napakahalaga nito na nabigyan ng space ang mga books. I know here in Tagaytay, they also prioritize, the government also prioritizes the sports. Of course, we really appreciate that one as well kasi sports are essential for our youth, for everybody as well. So for our mental and physical well-being as well. But also, kailangan din natin na bigyan ng space yung pagbabasa because not a lot of people, not all kids are athletic. So yeah, as a teacher, as an educator myself, sobrang natutuwa ako na merong ganitong space sa Tagaytay for the readers, the mga gusto na magbasa at matuto through books. I'm beyond grateful talaga. So, kaya nang nabasa ko yung post kagabi, talagang sabi ko, tomorrow I have to go there. And then, yeah, kahit na may pasok ako, I really, oh my God, my white hair is peaking. I really gave time, carve out time to visit here. So, City Government of Tagaytay, maraming salamat po sa pagkakaroon natin ng mini library and hoping na yung renovate doon is matapos siya, hopefully. Tapos magkaroon pa ng bigger space for our readers and for all the people na gusto na magkaroon ng learning spaces. Maraming salamat po. Si Ma'am Shelly, so she's very kind. Nisipin sa akin na under renovation pa nga daw yung isa. So I've already checked the mini library in Tagaytay, and it's really nice, guys. You have to visit. If you want to visit, if you want companion, I can go with you. Kung free lang ako. But yeah, my goodness, ang sarap sa pakiramdam under the lilim of the punong kahoy. And then the staff are really nice, so they would really guide you. At kung magtatanong ka, they would answer nicely. So maraming salamat po. I'm gonna go home because I still have to work. I still have a lot of classes, but today is Tuesday, so I have fewer classes than usual. And yeah, guys, you better check out the mini library in Tagaytay City Hall na sa second floor.